Okay, so today is 11th of December 2024. It's 4:40 p.m. and right now I am at Lal Bangla Road. I'm going to buy some vegetables. Uh, so currently, let me tell you how was my day. I woke up at 5:30. I was a bit late. I woke up at 5:30 and after waking up. I went to toilet. I didn't take a bath today because I was a bit late and I also made an excuse. I could have taken a bath, but I made an excuse to not to take a bath. Then I went to toilet. I did brush and I went on to do my daily work. So here I am at Gyanshila Library and I am working as a librarian here. My official duty hours is from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. but unofficially I work for 13-14 hours. The work isn't much demanding until now, but still you have to sit on the chair for all day, and so long working hours. You don't get any leave in month, not even Sundays or any holidays, so that thing sucks. And other than that, there are perks also, like I have gotten a room to sleep. I sleep on the floor only with thick whatever that is, and but still I've got a room and I also get food. So this thing is pretty good. But again, work is work and private job is private job, because you will have to do things that you shouldn't be doing. So that thing sucks. Moreover, Navneet, my today's day was stressful. Today is 11 now, so I've been working for 11 days. The 10 days were pretty good, but today 11th day, it was stressful. I felt it. And you know that I maybe by today or tomorrow, like something like that, or I will be paid 3,500 rupees for working 45 days at Mount Carmel School. He is Aditya. The principal's name is Aditya, and he is sitting with me. Don't confuse, my present boss name is also Aditya. He is a generous man, but I'm talking about Mount Carmel School's principal, Aditya. So he is trying to cheat me, and obviously I've written a negative review about him, and I'm surely going to publish him. I'm just waiting for him to transfer my 3,500 rupees. Once I have verified, I will give him a chance or not, but still I'm damn sure that I'm going to publish the review, because he tried cheating me, and I know all these frauds and everything, because I have been there. I have been in the office and I have heard to his conversation, so I'm very angry about it. Now let me take some cauliflower and like half kg cauliflower and half kg potato. नहीं है क्या? आप हैं क्या? आप हैं? गोभी कैसे है? आलू? आधा किलो दे दीजिए. आधा किलो. ना 1 किलो दे दीजिए. पैसा है ना. कितना हो जाएगा भैया? 75. मैं 65 रुपया आलू निकाल लीजिएगा. अब भैया फिर हम कब जा. So I will tell you, Navneet, the work is stressful, and like today I was feeling that it's stress. Still, Navneet, this life, I was having the thought that why am I here, why am I doing a private job when I can live my life in mediocrity and like just pass on my time. I could be there. 65 रुपये है। 10 रुपये हमको ला के आपको देना होगा। 10 रुपये ला के देना होगा। Navneet, sometimes it Navneet, success takes time. It really takes time, and Navneet, on the way you are really lonely. I'm fucking lonely. Nobody is there to cheer me up. No fucking person is there to cheer me up. No one is there. And there is no exception on it. I'm all alone. I'm lonely. No one is there to cheer me. As Alex Hormozy and Chris Williamson and all those people say, this is a lonely chapter. Every person has to go through it. And I am no exception. I am going through this lonely period or lonely chapter. And this thing sucks, Navneet. It really pains. Today it was fucking paining. That why the fuck am I doing all this? I could live my life, pretty awesome. And here I am fucking making tea for everyone. I am making tea and coffee for everyone. I am going serving them. I am doing the work of a waiter. I hate that. I fucking hate it. स्पाइरल कॉपी चाहिए। स्पाइरल कॉपी चाहिए। दोनों दिखा सकते हैं सादा में।
220 ले लीजिएगा सर। 220 नहीं होगा भैया, 250 से कम में हमारे पास फिक्स रेट है क्या?
अच्छा भैया, इसमें पेपर क्वालिटी इससे बढ़िया फिर
नहीं, इससे बढ़िया नहीं
आता।
क्लासमेट होगा, पतला होगा, 150 रुपये का होगा, इससे भी पतला होगा।
तो फिर फ़ायदा क्या था?
वो स्टैंडर्ड कॉपी है, बढ़िया चीज़ है।
पेज बता पाइएगा भैया? पेज बता पाइएगा?
इसमें 300 पेज है
और इसमें
200 पेज।
अच्छा, दाम बता सकते हैं? दाम बता सकते हैं?
80 रुपये का 100 रुपये, मोटा का 100 रुपये।
क्लासमेट वाला दिखा पाइएगा? खोल के देख सकते हैं? रुक जाइए ना। वो मोटा वाला, अच्छा पतला वाला है। ठीक है, ठीक। अच्छा, इस सब का क्वालिटी बढ़िया है ना इसके स्पाइरल का।
पैसा इसी तरह थोड़ा लेगा।
हाँ, ठीक कह रहे हैं। इसका तो पेपर पतले है, इसका तो पेपर पतला ही है। यही वाला दे दे भैया। 100 रुपया कर दे।
100
जी ठीक। क्या है? थैंक यू भैया. Okay, so I hope you are here. Okay, you are here. So this is the notebook which I bought for 100 rupee, and this is cauliflower potato, and this is Lal Bangla Road in which I am going, and this is platform number 2, Babudha Motiari, platform number 2. You know, Navneet, one day in retrospect, I know I will remember all these days, as these are the days which are building my character. I am learning humility, and I know I will always cherish these days. I I won't stay in the illusion of future, that a future will bring something better. I'm living the present, and I'm very happy that at least there is something that is building my character. I will keep striving. I will keep striving for success. I won't let myself down. I won't let the future Navneet down. I'm working fucking hard so that the future Navneet could reap the benefits. The way is full of thrones, and I'm going to crush each and every one of them. Success requires that dedication, that perseverance, and before I deserve success, I need to and before I succeed, I need to deserve success, because if it was that easy, na, anyone could have done that. Anyone could have been successful. I bought this notebook, and by the way, one more thing. You know that I'm broke, and I have the last few hundred rupees remaining, and I haven't earned any money for the past 10 months, and I have been bleeding money also, and all those things, and you know, every night I think about, like, yeah, these days every night I think about Harinath. Hell, like, either she is too lucky or I am too dumb, you know. Fuck, man. I feel shame, you know, like I feel bad when these girls say go make a tea for me. Like, most of them are polite, but yeah, a couple of them are a bit rude, and I don't like it, you know. When they say thank you, like they say bhaiya they say something like this, ek cup chai de do, and something like that. I too deserve respect, so what to do? I know that I won't be here forever. One day I too will leave, you know. So why should I be happy on that day? I'll be happy today. I know one day everyone will watch this video. Life, I made it, yeah. So my plans include, I know, learning copywriting and LinkedIn content creation for 2 days daily in the morning before reading books, because reading books is my second priority, and this thing being self-independent, you know, getting a remote copywriting job is my first priority. Let's see how it goes. Let's keep the notebook with myself. Other things to say, Navneet. So my mm, what I'm planning, I will tell you. My plans include, like I wake up at 5:15, something like that, and then I, what is that called? Then I, yeah, do my daily chores, and it becomes 6:15, 6:30, something like that. So I'm planning to go for a run, a 20-minute run. So it will become 7 o'clock, and then from 7 o'clock, if I make tea or do something else, then it's good. Else I will try to dedicate 2 hours to learning copywriting, and I will learn, and whatever I learn, I will share it on LinkedIn. And at night time, I have decided that I will engage with other creators in meaningful conversations in the voice of LinkedIn. It's called meaningful conversation. Engaging in a meaningful conversation. Lol. Navneet, I still can't find a clear path. I don't know anything. It has to work out, Navneet. It has to work out. There is no other fucking way. By the way, I will never quit. I will never quit. It's building my character. I will never quit. Let's see how it goes. Bye, Navneet.